PM Modi arrives in Slovakia, marks historic first ever Indian PM visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Bratislava, Slovakia on 14 June 2026 as part of the second leg of his two-nation European visit. The visit carries historic importance as it marks the first ever visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Slovakia since the country became independent in 1993. The visit is expected to open new opportunities for deeper cooperation and strengthen India-Slovakia relations across trade, technology and investment, manufacturing, defense and people-to-people exchanges. Sharing his arrival update on social media, PM Modi expressed his enthusiasm for productive discussion within President Peter Pellegrini and Prime Minister Robert Fico. According to India's Ministry of External Affairs, the visit builds upon recent high-level diplomatic exchanges, including President Draupadi Murmu's state visit to Slovakia in April 2025 and President Pellegrini's visit to India during the AI Impact Summit in February 2026. Traditional welcome for PM Modi in Slovakia. Prime Minister Modi received a ceremonial welcome in Bratislava through the traditional Slovak custom of bread and salt, symbolizing hospitality and friendship. The welcome ceremony also featured traditional folk music and dance performances, a special rendition of Vande Mataram by the Lushnika ensemble, interaction with members of Indian community in Slovakia. The visit reflects growing cultural and diplomatic engagement between both nations. PM Modi's Slovakia visits. What are the key agendas? The primary objectives of the visit is to strengthen strategic and economic ties between India and Slovakia. Key focus areas: expanding trade and investments. India and Slovakia aim to deepen economic engagement through increased bilateral trade, investment opportunities, manufacturing collaboration, industrial partnership, automobile and railway manufacturing. Both countries are expected to enhance cooperation in automobile production, railway infrastructure, mobility technology, and engineering partnership. Technology and innovation. India and Slovakia are exploring partnership in emerging technology, digital transformation, innovation ecosystem, industrial modernization. Renewable energy cooperation, clean energy and sustainable development remain important areas of discussion with focus on green energy investment, energy transition initiatives, sustainable industrial growth. Defense and strategic industry. Defense manufacturing and industrial cooperation are also expected to receive attention during bilateral engagement. Business and economic engagement. During the visit, PM Modi is scheduled to interact with Slovak business leaders alongside Slovakia leadership. The discussions are expected to focus on improving investment flows, strengthening industrial cooperation, expanding technology partnership, encouraging business-to-business engagement. The government expects these initiatives to create the long-term economic opportunities for both countries. India-Slovakia bilateral relations. Key highlights: India and Slovakia share historical diplomatic ties dating back more than a century. Timeline of relations: diplomatic engagement began in 1921 through a Czechoslovak consulate in Bombay. India became among the earliest countries to recognize the Slovak Republic